Hi everyone. I want to show you a few things on YouTube that will help you. Some of you maybe already know, some of you maybe this is new for. So the first thing is if I play the video, I press this here to play or mute, or I pause if I want to wait and I want to write down something. I can play and pause. I can also make the screen big, full screen, by clicking this. There it is. And I can also, the other two things that are important is this button, the settings. I want to click that, and here you can see playback speed. So normal, this is just the normal way she is speaking. But if it is too fast, you can click on that and you can go to 0.75. So this makes her speak a little more slowly. Okay, so if I want her to slow down, I can click on this settings button, playback speed, click, and then instead of normal, I want to do 0.75. Now she will speak more slowly. Another button you want to know is this CC. This means closed caption, and it will have the words underneath so you can see what she is saying. That is also helpful when you are watching a video in English. Okay, so as you're watching, make sure that you pause and write down new words. If you need to go back and listen again, make sure you are taking time to learn from the video.